Hello, this is an unpacking video for manufacturer number 2272100. This is by Umarex. This is a combat zone Stryker. It's a 13-round BB black spring. I'm going to open this up with you so you could get a better look at what's inside. Here you have your operating instructions, the no return or the return policy, and the registration information. Here you have the BBs that come with it. As you can see that they're white. There are 400 of these inside. You can screw the little cap here, and they come right on out. Oops, lost one. And here would be the pistol. And again, this is a combat zone Stryker. It's a 13-round BB black spring, and it comes with 400 white BBs.